So you guys, in today's what I ordered versus what I got Temu unboxing and review vlog video, I am going to be showing you some home decor items. Now with that being said, let's get right into it. Alright you guys, I've taken my items out of the box once again, and these are the items that I'm going to be showing for this home decor unboxing. Now, I did order two of these fern picks. Yeah, that's 12 individual picks. You'll be seeing this in a room styling video very soon, but I wanted to look at the quality of these. Now I will tell you they're very great quality. I'm going to go back to see if they do have on their site that's longer, and once again all the Temu information will be down in my description along with the link for all of these items that you do see here, so please make sure you check that out. But once again, very good quality. And we did do two of those. This towel rack and it's like a cabinet towel rack that you place in your cabinet. And very sturdy quality. And we're going to attach it. And they did have these in two different sizes. And I ordered this one in that chrome or that nickel finish. But that's it. And when you put it on, it does have the bumper pieces for it to not bump in your cabinet as well. So these I ordered two of the door guards, you guys. And this is to keep the wind that goes on the bottom of your door. And I'm going to show you the installation of these as well. But they go on the bottom of your door to keep that air from coming in. And here's your guide piece for it. Yep. And there's your stripping for it as well. And there's that. So we're going to order that, and I'm going to let you see what that looks like. But again, this is just to keep the air from coming under your door. Next we have this package, and this is just the ceiling fan cleaner, and it has the extendable rod, and it adjusts for you to clean your ceiling fan blinds. Please, once again, make sure you do check out that description for the items and the codes. And that's what it looks like, fluffed. And all it does is just attaches in. We're just going to attach it. And that's it, you guys. We got a lot of goodies from Temu. Yeah, we ordered 7 of these. And you guys, these are just those mirror strips. We got a couple projects coming along, and we're going to be doing some more updating in the space. It has 10 strips, and they're just self-adhesive, you guys. They are self-adhesive mirror strips as well. See that? We ordered, there's the backing, and it's 10 per pack, and you're going to see these being stalled. They're all the same. So make sure you do check out. And with these items here, you're going to get a couple individual DIY videos as well. So make sure you do catch that. But once again, that was a total of 7 packs of those. Some towel, self-adhesive towel. And you guys, this towel does have a pattern, and I think it's a total of 6 or 10 sheets per package, and they do line up. So if you take them out the packet, be careful with that to make sure that there's an order with them. But we ordered this in the black bling wrap from the other video. That was for my niece, and this is another project for my niece as well. But look at that, you guys. Look at that high quality of that marble paper. Self-adhesive. And we're going to be doing a project with this for my niece's space. So make sure you stay on the lookout for that. And I think I'm going to do another order of this because I got about an idea. I want to do 2 different things with this as well. But, and as you can see, it's very gorgeous. And all of this paper is from the PVC style, but this is high gloss, high quality. Look at that, you guys. Tell me, isn't this gorgeous? It's gorgeous, 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 gorgeous. I'm just letting you see all the different looks, but they do connect. They do connect. So, make sure you put this ticket item on your to-do list for Temu. We do have that, so make sure you click this link as well. Self-adhesive contact paper. And I have 2 different styles for 2 different projects. Alright, there they are, you guys. It was a total of 5. And this is what this looking like. I hope you can kind of sort of see what direction we're going to be playing in this space. Now you guys, this self-adhesive contact paper, you guys, it does have a 3D look to it because it looks like physically raised or texture from an actual brick wall, which is one thing that I am loving about it. And two, you guys, if you do order this product here, the measurements and the cut is a little bit different than normal. It's like a 17.7, and this is a 17.7 by a 77 or a 78.7. So be mindful if you are ordering any of the contact paper. But I'm going to tell you, you're going to see this style very soon. And we do have to add some more of this in on the order. But you have that. Make sure you do check that link. And once again, make sure you check out Temu. Shop like a billionaire to get you some fabulous items, no matter the style. And since we're featuring home decor, make sure you check out all of that as well. This is the last item. And it is, you guys, it is 7 of these, and they are all the same. And this is this pattern. Now, you guys, you know that gold and white pattern that Dollar Tree had brought in a couple months ago? Same pattern. This is just done in silver. Now look at that, you guys. You will be seeing this as well. This does also have a 3D effect. Now the contact paper is very strong. It's still that PVC material, very strong and durable. You will be seeing this design coming extremely soon. So you guys be on the lookout for the use of these items coming within this next week or so. I'm waiting on more of these so we can finish the project, but you're going to see these wall not wall, contact paper pieces very soon, like very soon. So be on the lookout for that. So now this is all of the items that I did order for this Temu unboxing and review. So do make sure you check out my link. Make sure you go over to Temu and pick up you some fabulous, very affordable items as well. Now, if you're watching and you're still not a family member of the Glam Queen of DIY, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. Make sure you tap that bell twice. It turns blue and you'll know when I am uploading. Also, make sure you turn that notification to all so that you'll receive all of our notifications of when we are doing content here on the channel. But these are my home decor pieces. Now, if you guys have been rocking with me for a while, you know your girl can't close out without letting you know to always be positive so you can remain productive and stay positioned to make your next move your best move. I'll see every one of you guys in another upcoming video. Bye everyone, stay blessed and always stay positive.